Good afternoon. This is a different kind of live today. I've already done my makeup, but I wanted to talk to you guys about pharmacy. I have to tell you why. And I want to debunk the rumors, and I want to explain why what I do can possibly be something very beneficial for you. So, drinking my chicory coffee as you guys are hopping on. I hope you enjoyed my video this morning, my TikTok. You know, my part-time comedian TikTok skills. Okay. I shared it to the group. I want to explain to you, if you guys are watching this, you're probably watching it on the replay by this point, so just do hashtag always late, because Sam is always late. And as you guys are hopping on, come say hi to me. Come hang out, because I wanted to chat it up a little bit. Hi, Jess. Jess, I miss you and your sister, and you guys are just so much fun. You're my people for sure. Last night I did an opportunity event with a couple of other amazing leaders, and one thing that I got to speak about was the myths about network marketing, direct sales, multi-level marketing, whatever you want to call it, social selling, okay? Here we are in 2021, and social media is the most popular thing around. Remember back in the day when we were excited that we were like getting the internet? We would have the dial-up and wait for it to ring and log you on. Now we carry around our phones, we carry around our laptops or iPads. Everybody has electronics these days, okay? So when I first became introduced to network marketing, I was with a company called, actually I started with a company that was for children's board games. And I was like, let me give this a try. I'm like, I have two little, I didn't have Jocelyn at that point, so I had the two boys. I said, they would love playing board games. I can get them for half price or whatever. So let me give it a try. It was definitely not my thing. But you know what? I'm happy I gave it a try, because then it led me to branch out and try a makeup company. So I wound up switching over to a makeup company. And here's the thing. When you get approached and asked about join my company, join this company, join that company, the first thing that most people do is say no to begin with. And then they're gonna come up with a reason why they can't do it. And I get that, because that was me in the beginning. So after my wheels were spinning about the makeup, I was like, you know what? I don't even wanna do it. I just will try to make my money back from that kit that I bought, that $100 kit, and then I'll just call it a wash and I have free makeup. But it turned into something more. It turned into my passion. And you know what? If I didn't say yes to that opportunity, I would never realize that this is actually something that I truly, passionately love. And what made me switch over to pharmacy is the comp plan is insane. The products are affordable for my customers. The products are amazing quality. I say this all the time, but with my old company, I never felt as confident in that foundation versus the foundation that I wear now. I absolutely love it. I get compliments on it. And again, the price is affordable. We are in the middle of a pandemic, which we thought was coming to an end. And unfortunately, it seems like it is coming back, and coming back with a vengeance. So we're about to send, some of us already have, but I'm about to send my children off to school. And it makes me nervous, because I don't want the kids to come back to school from home. I want them to have their freedom and play with their friends, and I'm hoping that they're not going to have to wear a mask for the entire school year. But I want them to be safe, so obviously if they have to, please, by all means, they'll wear a mask. But it brings me to talk about you and your situations, and what happened to you during this crisis that we just had. Did you get laid off of your job? Did you have to collect unemployment? Did you not even get the opportunity to collect unemployment? You know, having the financial freedom and opportunity to do this social media gig has been the best thing for me, because I didn't have any issues, I was still able to make a steady income during COVID and everything. So this opportunity was 20 bucks. It was 20 bucks for me to join this company. And with 20 bucks, that comes with your own website. And what I love about Farmacy is it's like a one-stop shop. It's not only makeup, it's not only skincare. We have men's line, we have men's shampoo, we have shaving products, we have beard oil, we have a children's line, we have body washes, and there's so many things. Laundry, I absolutely love the fabric softener. Cleaning products, and now we have nutrition, the chicory coffee, and there's going to be so much more coming out. I hear some things like collagen and things like that, so that is super exciting. And this company has only been here for about 2 to 3 years, so there's so much room to grow. That brings me to another myth that I wound up speaking about last night. Is, got my notes for this one. When you feel like you have to get your foot in the door in the very beginning of a launch of a direct sales company, right? Because if you don't get your foot in the door, then you are not going to be successful. That's a myth. That is a myth. I did not get my foot in this Farmacy door as soon as they launched. I came into the game a year and a half later, and I am successful. My downline is successful. My upline is successful. So it's not true. You make the business what you want it to be. So if you want to be successful, then you're going to work for it. Nothing in life gets handed to you, right? And actually, if things do get handed to you, what lessons are you learning? The pyramid scheme thing. My husband, we can like have an argument about this topic. Pyramid scheme, right? Network marketing is a pyramid scheme. It's not. It's social selling. I am making an income, and you are supporting my small business by purchasing your foundation, or purchasing your laundry care, or your cleaning products, or your chicory coffee. So I am delivering a product to you. A pyramid scheme is, back in the day, people would try to sell you an opportunity, make you pay an upfront fee, and never follow through. So it was a legit pyramid scheme. You were getting nothing out of it. You were spending money on something. This is not. This is completely different. I want to tell you that there's room for everybody. There is, maybe makeup or Farmacy isn't your place to be, okay? Maybe you would prefer doing like Beachbody or nail strips, or whatever your gig is. I just say, find your passion, find your fire. My fire is lit with this company. I love everything about it. I love 50% to 75% commission. Hello. And I joined for $20, and there's no other fees. You don't have to pay for a website ever again. It's that one-time fee to join, and then you get 50% off of your own stock and products. You don't have to keep an inventory. People go directly to your free website, and it's just reliable income. It's reliable income, and there is no cap on how much income you can make. You can make 6-7 figures in this company if you really, really network, do your homework, branch out. The possibilities are endless. You have no boss, which is one thing, because I hate answering to people. Even like when I was a kid, I always had something to say back to my parents, because I just like, I don't know, I didn't like that. So you don't have a boss. And it's freedom. It's freedom. I say chase the freedom. How lucky am I that I get to stay home with my kids, make an income, and just be here watching them grow. Be here when they have to stay home sick, not have to get a babysitter, not miss out on a pay for that day. So I just can't say enough good things about it, and I just want everybody to understand that. I understand that a lot of people think bad things when they hear direct sales and network marketing and MLM and social selling, but it's not the case. So in this world that we're living in today, if you feel like you would like a backup to your income, then I want you to know that direct sales could possibly be something for you. And I absolutely love my company, so of course I want to spread the word and want everybody to try Farmacy out. But if it's not for you, it's not for you. But $20 is all it took to give it a shot and give it a try, all right? So we can just pray to the good Lord that, COVID doesn't make a turn for the worse again, because I know that the numbers are starting to rise. But I do know at least I will have this to always lean on and fall back on and bring me joy, set my soul on fire, feel great inside and out, and making money for my family. So thank you guys for listening, and if you're interested in finding out what the $20 to Farmacy is all about and what it includes in your own business, please just drop info in the comments and I will be happy to reach out with you and show you the kit and show you everything that we have to offer. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend and happy Friday. Is it time for wine? Bye.